In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Dropbox automatically. Dropbox is built to keep your files updated in the background, but it can only do that when the desktop app is actually running. We'll first make sure the app is open, and then we'll confirm that syncing is active so everything stays up to date without extra work. On Windows, look down at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen next to the clock. You're looking for the Dropbox logo, the little open box. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Dropbox often lives there if your tray is crowded. If the icon still isn't there, open your Start menu, type Dropbox, and launch the app. Give it a moment to start. Once it's running, the icon will appear, and you may see a small syncing badge while it checks your files. If you like, you can drag the icon from the overflow area so it always stays visible. To have Dropbox sync automatically, every time you turn on your computer, set it to launch at startup. Click the Dropbox icon, then click your profile picture or initials in the top corner of the window and choose Preferences. Under the General tab, enable the option called Open Dropbox upon startup. With that turned on, the app will be ready in the background as soon as you log in, and you won't have to remember to start it manually. You can close the Preferences window when you're done. The setting is saved, and if you ever change your mind, you can come back here and toggle it off. Next, confirm your sync status. Click the Dropbox icon in the system tray again, and look at the bottom of the pop-up. If you see syncing paused, click Resume Syncing to pick up where it left off. Pausing can happen accidentally, and one click gets things moving. If you see up to date, you're all set. Everything on your computer matches what's in your Dropbox. You can also tell what's happening by the icons on your files. A blue circular arrow symbol means a file is syncing, and a solid green check means it's fully synced. If you recently added a lot of files, you'll notice progress bars and counts. Just leave the app running. Closing the Dropbox window does not stop sync. Only fully quitting the app would pause activity, so as long as the icon remains in the tray, it will continue working quietly in the background. That's it. With the app running and not paused, Dropbox will sync automatically. Thanks for watching.